Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Messenger not sending photos. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are more than a few reasons why Facebook Messenger won't send pictures on Android devices to tackle this problem. The first solution is to check your permissions for your app. The most common bug that is causing this problem usually prevents users from sending pictures or even text messages to users that recently reactivated their Messenger account. So to solve this issue, go and check your permission by tapping on the Settings button from the Settings option. Here, scroll down and select Apps. Now from the list of all the apps that are installed on your device, select Messenger. Tap on it, and on the next page, tap on Permissions. Once you reach this page, make sure that all the related permissions are granted. Allow all the access that are required for Facebook Messenger to operate smooth. Once you do that, you can go ahead and see if that fixes your issue. The next thing to do is to clear your cache and data from Messenger. Go back and tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right. You can also select Clear Data at the bottom left. Now go ahead and reboot your device by simply hold the power button and selecting Restart from the options. Once the device restarts, go back to your Facebook Messenger account one more time and see if that fixes your issue. You can also uninstall the application if that still does not fix by hold the application and tapping on the Uninstall button. After you uninstall the application, go back to your App Store or your Play Store and re-download the application one more time and log into your Facebook Messenger and see if that solves your issue. Those were some of the fixes that you can try out whenever you are having trouble sending pictures or even text messages on Messenger. So that's basically how you can fix Messenger not sending photos. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.